Okay, next I'm going to take out the oil pump. I just loosened up all of these guys. Wrench to get them both loose. Yep, it's not going to come loose, so the instruction says to use a puller. Hooked on the edge of that gear, I think. I didn't have enough zip on the edge of that gear to get my puller hooked on, so I put a hose clamp on there, and the hose clamp gave me something for my puller to catch on, and that worked. So now the oil pump is coming out. There we go. And there is the oil pump. Next is the bell housing. They call a converter housing, if I'm reading the instructions good. Has two big bolts in the bottom side. Size, what are those, 17s? Yeah, it's a 17 socket. The rest of them are this size. It says hold the shaft and slide the housing off. There we go. It came right off. Without the bell housing on it or the transfer case, it's pretty small. This has a big O-ring. Okay, this is the overdrive clutch case. Yeah. It's got little bearings on here. Need to pay attention to which way they go. Just gonna slide them on there for now. There we go. Alright, I'm going to just leave this together for now, and then I'll get back to it later. Okay, next is the oil pan here. Okay, I got all the, oh yeah, no problem. And the oil pan is off. This oil is all gray, and I can also feel grit in there, so it's probably a real good thing that I'm taking this apart. And what is that? Magnets with goo stuck all over them. There's, and the oil tube comes out outside here. Slide out. The big one goes like that. And The bottom end of this one goes way up in there. Alright, so 4 oil tubes. Got those out. Before I can take the filter out, there's a wire connected to this cover here. Just has a side on here, just squeeze and pull it out. So we have 6 screws, all the same size. Oh, more oil. There's my filter. It's loose, but still connected to this wire.